Ready, start. The present appeal challenges the final judgment and order dated 4th July 2013, passed by the Division Bench in Criminal Appeal under Section 374 CRPC number 2259 of 1989, filed by the accused appellants, whereby the High Court dismissed the appeal and upheld the judgment and order dated 8th November 1989, passed by the Additional District and Sessions Judge Karvi within bracket Banda bracket close in Sessions case number 88 of 1986, convicting the accused appellants under Section 302 read with Section 34 of the Indian Penal Code 1860. The High Court also upheld the order of sentence dated 15th November 1989, void which the trial court had sentenced the accused appellants to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life along with a fine of rupees 6,000. It is the prosecution case that the accused persons who were hiding in the Baruhar Ghat suddenly came out. They had an altercation with complainant's father and his uncles over the measurement of agricultural fields and later started hitting them with pike, sticks and spear. Thereafter, complainant along with his injured father and uncles went to the Raipura police station in a bullock cart driven by one Kandhai Lal, and an FIR number 53/1986 came to be registered at 9:30 am initially under sections 307 and 308 read with section 34 IPC. Subsequently, the injured persons were sent to the Karvi hospital in a truck from the police station. Injured, namely Ram Avatar and Namo Shankar, succumbed to their injuries on the same day at Karvi Hospital, whereas injured Girja Shankar also died on same day while being shifted to another hospital in Allahabad. Hence, charge under Section 302 IPC was added. The post-mortem report dated 7th August 1986 noted various antemortem injuries and fractures on the body of the deceased persons. The accused appellants were arrested on 12th August 1986. The charge sheet was filed and the case being exclusively triable by the Sessions Court was committed for trial to the Court of Learned Additional District and Sessions Judge Karvi within bracket Banda bracket close by an order dated 13th November 1986 passed by the Munsif Court Karvi. Thereafter, the accused appellants were released on bail on 7th January 1987. Void judgment and order dated 8th November 1989, the trial court convicted the accused appellants for the offence punishable under Section 302 read with Section 34 of IPC, and void order dated 15th November 1989, they were sentenced to rigorous imprisonment for life along with a fine of rupees 6,000. Aggrieved thereby, the appellants filed appeal being criminal appeal under Section 374 CRPC number 2259 of 1989 before the High Court, which was dismissed void impugned judgment and order dated 4th July 2013. The High Court upheld the judgment and order of the trial court and directed the trial court to take necessary steps to ensure that the accused appellants who were out on bail are arrested and committed to custody to undergo their sentence. Aggrieved thereby, the present appeal by way of special leave. We have heard learned counsel for the appellants and learned counsel for the respondent state.